Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. It's November, it's the month of Thanksgiving, and you smell all the fragrance in the air, and you know we're drawing closer to Thanksgiving Day. And today we're gonna make a simple side dish for your Thanksgiving feast. We're gonna make a sweet potato yam casserole. You're gonna make this dish and watch your guests gobble it all up. And here's a tip for you. When you're at the market and you're looking for yams and they don't have any, but they do have sweet potato, it's the same thing. You will impress everyone around you, and I assure you, everyone there will go for seconds and thirds. That is, if there's anything left. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready, time to get yamming. As I walked outside of the house while this was in the oven and came back in, let me tell you, I wasn't hungry, but like I'm starving because of that smell. You can definitely smell fall in the air, and all the ingredients of fall are right in one little casserole. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. You can serve this up by cutting it into squares, or get a little fancy and use a small clear glass, giving it a nice circular shape. Make sure you cut off all the excess and place it on top of some fresh thyme. I am so ready to dive in. Let's do this. The rich, smooth taste of the yams, the crunchy topping, just take over your taste buds, sending stimulating messages to your brain of comfort food. I feel so sorry for the candied yams that are placed on that table because no one's even looking at them. No one's even gonna touch them. I mean, think about it. When you've got a gourmet side dish that's standing right next to it and no one touches that, but they'll all go for this, there's gonna be nothing left of this. Let me tell you, you'll have leftovers on the table with everything except this is gonna be gone. Mark my words. And that just wraps up today's episode. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and click on that little bell to notify you when my next videos get uploaded. And until next time,